Hi, I'm Lisa Beals from Haute Pilote, No Pilote Little Lunches, and here's how you make easy sweet potato recipes for your babies. We are taking a sweet potato, which is often confused with a yam, but it's a totally different tuber. This one is a little less sweet, and it's a different color on the inside. This is more white, but this is a sweet potato. This is a very tasty dish for your babies. And we're going to start by peeling the sweet potato. And unlike a yam, you can see that this looks like more like a regular potato. This, I'm using an organic one, again, because it comes from the ground. And when I'm making my baby food, I just feel like it's a little safer. Let's peel off. I'm doing this into paper towel, because then I can just pick up the paper towel and throw it away. Very easy. I'm going to cut this into about 1.5 inch cubes or chunks. Okay, I'm going to put this into my pot. And again, for easy baby food, for stage 1, a little water. You boil this in water. I'm going to use a little chicken stock. This is fresh chicken stock pouring in. It's about a pint. I'm going to do a dash of cinnamon for a little flavoring and a little salt. Not too much, just a little bit. Now I'm going to bring this over to the stove top and bring it up to a boil. Okay, so now the potatoes are cooked, and I can tell they're cooked because the knife goes into them very easily. I'm going to just take off some of the broth and reserve it, because we might need it. I have my hand emulsifier again, the blender on a stick, and my sweet potatoes and some of the broth. We can always add more if we need it. I'm going to zap it and smush it up for baby. And the nice thing about this is you can do it right in the pot. We have a nice smooth puree coming, and you can puree this to however smooth your baby likes to eat their food. This is a little chunks, because I did a stage 2 with the chicken broth, so you can leave it like this. That's how you make baby food out of sweet potatoes. I'm Lisa Beals from Haute Pilote and No Pilote Little Lunches.